This is Wolf Cabin, part of Northwoods Resort. As we walk in, you can see a futon for sitting, or if you want to pull it out and sleep at night. Up here we have our flat screen TV for your use. A nice sitting area for dining or watching television. As you can see behind there, we do have heat and air conditioning in here. Over here we have a little kitchenette for you. A small sink, a coffee pot, a microwave, and a small refrigerator will be provided. Over here is a full-size bed. Linens are provided. As you can see below, there's also extra linens for the futon if you were to need them. And through here we have our bathroom. A toilet, a sink, and a mirror. Linens are provided. And a shower, a standing shower. This cabin is our only cabin that is studio style. The other three have a separate bedroom off. A nice sitting area if you'd like to sit outside on a deck after a long day. And around the back, we have a private fire pit for you. And that's Wolf Cabin.